Hello friends, welcome to a session on surface areas and volume. Today we will learn some important examples based on cylinder. So here we have example number 1, that is a rectangular sheet of paper 44 centimeter into 20 centimeter is rolled along its length to form a cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder so formed. So here the rectangular sheet, that is length and breadth is given. So here we have a length is 44 centimeter and here I have a rectangular sheet, and the breadth, that is nothing but height. So here height is 20 centimeter. So if I roll along its length, the length part becomes the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, that is 44 centimeters. So here the length part 44 centimeter, that is circumference of the circle, and the height, the breadth part, that is height is 20 centimeters. So let me write the length is given 44 centimeter and breadth is 20 centimeter. So circumference of the cylinder, so that is length of the rectangle, So the length part I folded, so that is become a circumference of the cylinder. So the circumference is 2 pi r. So that is equal to, the length is given 44 centimeter. So now this is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r, let me write it as it is equal to 44. Now r becomes 44, this into 7 divided by 2 into 22, it goes to denominator. So this 2 into 22 is 44 and 44 will get cancelled. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we got a radius. And breadth of the rectangle, that is breadth of the rectangle, that is nothing but height, that is equal to 20 centimeter. So now we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. So now therefore volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. So that is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 square, that is 7 into 7 into height is, that is breadth, here I have written h is equal to 20 centimeters. Now 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So that is equal to 4 and 5, 154. 22 into 7 is 154 into 20. So that is equal to 3080. This is volume. So therefore you have to write the unit is centimeter cube. So the volume of the cylinder is 3080 centimeter cube. Here we have example number 2. Two circular cylinders of equal volumes have their heights in the ratio 1:2. Find the ratio of their radii. So heights are given and their radii ratio you have to find out. That is, so given I will write heights, that is h1, two circular cylinders we have. So let me take the heights are h1 and h2, that is h1 by h2. Ratio is given 1:2, that is 1 by 2. And equal volumes, so that is V1 equal to V2. So volume of a first cylinder and volume of second cylinder. We have two cylinders, so both the volumes are equal. So now here I'll consider that is volumes are equal, V1 equal to V2. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So here also pi r square h. So let me take the volume, that is the radius of first cylinder is R1 and radius of second cylinder is R2. So similarly H1 and H2. So now here pi and pi will get cancelled. Now so R1 square, this R2 square, I'll take it this side, that is R2 square. So that is equal to H2 is here only, so divided by H1. So R1 square by R2 square equal to, so here H2 is 2 and H1 is 1. So I'll write 2 by 1. H2 is 2 and H1 is 1. So now R1 by R2 the whole square equal to 2 by 1. So this square will becomes to square root. So that is R1 by R2 equal to square root of 2 by 1. This I can write root 2 by root 1 value is 1. So therefore the ratio of radii equal to root 2 is to 1. So this is the ratio of the radii. They are given the ratio of the heights. So now we got the ratio of the radii. Here we have example number 3. The inner diameter of circular well is 2.8 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area. Also find the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 42 per meter square. So here we have a circular well and the diameter is given 2.8 meter and the deep is the well deep is how much? 10 meters, and you have to find the inner curved surface area. Inside curved surface area you have to find out. So let me take like this. So now solution. So diameter is given 2.8 meters. So let me write the radius first. Radius you know well, d by 2, that is diameter is 2.8 and divided by 2, that is 1.4 meters. And height is given, the deep is 10 meters. This is 10. So height equal to 10 meters. And you have to find out the inner curved surface area, because and also you have to find out the cost of plastering the inner curved surface area. So you have to find out inner CSA, that is curved surface area of a cylinder. This is in the form of cylinder. So that equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 1.4 into height is 10. So this is equal to 2 into 22 by 7. 1.4 into 10 is 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 2. That is equal to 88 meter square. So this is the CSA, inner CSA, curved surface area. So now we have to find out the cost of plastering this curved surface area, inner curved surface area. So therefore the cost of plastering this CSA. So So that is equal to, we have inner curved surface area is 88 into the rate is for each meter square is per meter square is a 42. So multiply with the 42 for this curved surface area. So that is equal to, multiply this 88 into 42. That is therefore rupees 3696 rupees. So this is the cost of plastering this curved surface area, inner curved surface area. Okay friends, solve this example yourself and answer in the comment section. So that is, the diameter of a base of a cylinder is 2 meter and height is 1.8 meter is melted to recast a cone of a diameter 3 meter. Find the height of a cone. So thank you.